Okay, now problem number 3. Construct a cubic equation with roots 2, 1 by 2, 1. What is this? 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2, 1. What is this? 2, 1 by 2, 1 is nothing but roots. Construct a cubic equation with roots 2, 1 by 2, 1. We know very well cubic equation means it will have 3 roots. They themselves are given all the 3 roots. They are asking us to calculate what? They are asking us to calculate what is the equation. Find out the equation. Find out the cubic equation. That is the question. So here now we are going to seek the help of that beta's formula. First I am going to calculate sigma 1. You know very well sigma 1 means sum of roots, taking one at a time. We have 3 roots, so we should add all the 3. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. If you add all the 3, answer is 7 by 2. This is the value for sigma 1. Sigma 2, what is the meaning? Sigma 2 meaning is take 2 roots at a time. We have 3 roots, out of which take 2. 2 and 1 by 2 is taken first. So multiply those 2 roots. 2 into 1 by 2. Sigma means addition, plus take another 2. 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1. Plus take another 2. 1 and 2. 1 into 2. Hope you will understand this. Sigma 2 means we have to take 2 roots at a time and then add. Take 2 at a time plus 2 at a time plus another 2 at a time. These are the 3 possible 2 roots that I can take. So when I simplify, 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 by 2, again it is 7 by 2. So see the simplifications. Sigma 1 is 7 by 2. Sigma 2 is also 7 by 2. Then we are calculating sigma 3. Because it is cubic equation, we will have sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Sigma 3 means how many roots we are going to take at a time. At a time we will take 3 roots. We have 3. 2, 1 by 2 and 1. So take all the 3. 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. 2 gets cancelled. So 1 is the answer for sigma 3. Again, can you able to understand? 1 is nothing but sigma 3. Okay. Now I am going to write the formation of equation formula. The cubic equation is, it starts from x cube. X cube minus sigma 1 into x square plus sigma 2 into x minus sigma 3 is equal to 0. If you observe closely, it has what? Alternative symbols, plus minus plus minus. X cube, x square, x constant term, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. So this is nothing but what? Formula for formation of cubic equation. Okay, now x cube is written. Sigma 1 value 7 by 2, substitute. Sigma 2 value 7 by 2, write it here. Sigma 3 is 1, substituting here, equal to 0. So if I take LCM, what happens? 2 is the LCM, right? Because 2 and 2 are present here. So 2 will be the LCM. Even that LCM will go this side, becomes 0. Since right hand side is 0, by 2 I cannot write. Okay. When I take LCM, this will become 2x cube, right? 2x cube. This will become minus 7x square. This is plus 7x. 2 will go here. So minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the cubic equation whose roots are 2, 1 by 2, 1. Hope you will understand. This is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma. 3 roots were given to us. We are calculating sigma 1 taking 1 at a time, sigma 2 taking 2 at a time, sigma 3 taking 3 at a time. After calculating sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, write this formula, substitute and find out the answer. We will go for the fourth sum. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of cubic equation, one equation was given to us. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation, form a cubic equation whose roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Again, just try to understand, this is a cubic equation. This equation has 3 roots because cubic equation. Now what are the 3 roots? They have given alpha, beta, gamma are nothing but roots of this equation. So immediately I am just leaving this line, just leave this line, come here, given. What is given? Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of which equation? This equation. Immediately what I am writing is See, I'm calculating sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. What is sigma 1? Take one at a time. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is beta's formula for sigma 1? Minus b by a. So don't get confused. B minus b by a means where should I go for b and a? See this equation. I have not written here, but I'm going to explain it. A means 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. You should, while writing the class work, you write it in rough notebook, or even here in this, here you can write that. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 4. So minus B by A, minus B value is 2, A value is 1. So 2 by 1 is minus 2. Similarly, I'm going to calculate sigma 2, alpha beta, that is taking 2 at a time. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Formula for beta's formula is what? C by A. What is C? See the equation and find out. A, B, C. C is 3. So 3 by A value 1 equal to 3. Don't see this. I'll come back for this. Sigma 1, sigma 2 have calculated. Sigma 3 we are going to see. What is this then? Now see, now read out the question fully. Form a cubic equation whose roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. So what is the equation which has these three other roots? 1 by alpha is one root, 1 by beta is another root, 1 by gamma is the third root. What is the equation for these three roots? That is the question. Now for these three I am calculating sigma 1. Don't get confused with this sigma 1. What is this sigma 1? For this equation and for this root I am calculating sigma 1, sigma 2. Even I am going to calculate sigma 3. And I will explain this. What is this sigma 1 for this root? For these three. So sigma 1 means take one at a time. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. What is the LCM? Alpha, beta, gamma. Right? So LCM I have written. If I want to fill the first numerator, what should I write? Alpha is present. LCM is alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha is already present. Which is absent? Beta, gamma. So beta, gamma should come in the numerator. That is what is written here. Beta, gamma. Plus. See this? Beta. Which is missing here? Alpha, gamma. So alpha, gamma should come in the numerator. That is what is written here. Alpha, gamma. So beta, gamma plus alpha, gamma. Here gamma is present. Alpha, beta is missing. So alpha, beta should come in the numerator. That is what is written here. Taking LCM. This is nothing but taking LCM for this. Sigma 1. What is sigma 1? Calculating for these three. So this is taken as equation number 1. Is it clear? Now we have two things in our hands. For this we are calculating sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Also we are going to calculate what? We are going to find cubic equation for these three roots. So keep this in your mind. So what we are going to do in the next step, sigma 1 we have calculated, sigma 2 we have calculated. Next we are going to calculate sigma 3 for this. Then we will try to find out sigma 2 and sigma 3 for this, right? So that is what I said. Now I am going to calculate sigma 3, which is nothing but alpha, beta, gamma, taking all the three at a time. Formula, beta formula is minus d by a. See the equation, d value is 4, a value is 1, so minus 4 by 1 is minus 4. Now I told now first line we have calculated on sigma 1, that is I have written here. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha by alpha beta. Where this comes from? Answer first line. We have taken that as equation number 1. So that first equation gives this. In this, we are going to substitute the values that we know. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Value is we have calculated as 3. See the previous line. Alpha beta gamma. What is alpha beta gamma value now? Minus 4. That we are writing here. So numerator value 3, denominator value minus 4. Totally minus 3 by 4. Now we have successfully calculated this sigma 1. Next I am going to take sigma 2, taking 2 at a time. What are the two things? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, plus 1 by beta, 1 by gamma, plus 1 by gamma, 1 by alpha. Take LCM. By seeing itself, alpha, beta, gamma are the only terms present. So alpha, beta, gamma is the LCM. Here alpha, beta present, gamma is missing, so gamma. Beta, gamma is present, alpha is missing, so alpha. Gamma alpha is present, beta is missing, so beta. So this is the LCM for this step. This is the LCM for the above line. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. See the previous line of this value we have calculated as -2. Alpha, beta, gamma denominator we have calculated as -4. Cancel that and 1 by 2 is the value. Sigma 1, sigma 2 we have completed. Next we are calculating sigma 3. Take all the 3 at a time. 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma, which is nothing but 1 by alpha, beta, gamma. 1 by alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma answer is -4. So 1 by -4 minus 1 by 4. Now we are going to write the formula for formation of cubic equation. The cubic equation is, what is the formula? X cube minus sigma 1 x square plus sigma 2 x minus sigma 3 equal to 0. So x cube minus sigma 1 value is -3 by 4 x square plus sigma 2 value x minus sigma 3 value equal to 0. So minus and minus will become plus. Take LCM 4, 2, 4. So LCM is 4. That will go here. 4x cube minus minus plus 3x square, because 4 is the LCM, plus 2 is present, 4 is LCM, so again 2 will come, so 2x minus into minus plus 1 equal to 0. LCM is 4, that will go here and become 0. So this is the cubic equation. Hope you will understand. We'll see the next sum in next video. Again I repeat, sigma 1, sigma 2, we have 2 sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3 in this sum. Actually for this problem we need this sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. For this we have calculated the previous thing, sigma 3, sigma 2, using those values we found out these three and got the equation, right? Yes, we'll go for the next video.